Abashaho b'ebyaro abari kumanywa nka community health workers abari kwinganigana mukaga ku rugomero ka 5 mu district ya Rubirizi babaheze emishomo yabo Omubyamagara kandi okutendekwa okukumazira amezi mukaga.
The choose you have been trained, you have been given all the necessary information. We are going to facilitate your work by giving you these gadgets to ease your work. But it will make a lot of difference if yourself, within your parish, the 2 of you in each parish, you set targets and you say in 6 months we should have covered all the households.
These people started the training in January kandi bagatandika nanokubanza kuba orienting, so it was on classroom ekatwara 4 months. Konka distributing a 3 months classroom, then 2 months later to have a take-home practical. Maiba jurum community, what can't expecting at a later time to have a deploying a community. Then a facility. So 2 months the cover facility for community.
Our Dr. Diana Twine, or Permanent Secretary of Ministry Omubyamagara, yabihanangiriza okukora omulimu gwabo ogw'okushomesa abantu okukora Omubyamagara okubira Omubyanga hamwe n'okuba orutinda hagati y'ebyaro hamwe n'amarwaro.
Kwongyera bachuzi anyonanye naza kuzomu fukunda agiye nazo mu Christmas bachuzi baragurira abarwaire. Tumushomeye kuragurira abarwaire. Ogwo tumurimo gwanyu. Orabe n'abakozesa n'abaya bakozesa nshobi kandi abo n'abayahende biragiro abo kuba tumwine qualifications zo kuragurira abarwaire.
One of their roles is mobilizing for health services. Health services ni nyingi. There is vaccination okujemesa abana, harimu family planning methods, harimu postnatal services.
Amukoro ogu Dr. Richard Kabanda or Commissioner Ministry y'Omubyamagara agira ngo kushanga Omubyamagara bikige mu district ya Rubirizi kimayisa ngo hariho abantu ab'obujunaniziba abatakozera emirimo yabo.
We know in terms of the communicable disease, Rubirizi is not doing badly, but you are not where we want you to be. It is actually a shame. I've been talking to Dr. Stavia here. It is really a shame for a district like Rubirizi not to be 100% covered in terms of latrines. It is a shame.
Dr. Aida Nachinga omukuru w'Omubyamagara mu district ya Rubirizi akoresa omukoro ogu ogwereza obukushobora bumwe habuzibu obine Omubyamagara.
District has no general hospital despite it being a tourism district. The district has 2 constituencies, but only one has a health center for as we talk now. We still lack fences for some facilities.
Abashaho b'ebyaro abahereze kutendekwa yagira ngo obukugu bwatungire nibwije kubahwera omu mirimo yabo.
Isima oranga owashanga ngwerizoba twaika ahwire bwo kumaliriza emishomo yitu kakwasibwa ebikwato byitu byo kuza kuyambirira abantu bitu omu byaro.
Mu bigambo bye Dr. Diana Twine na yagira ngo hari enteekateeka y'okutungura ya Katerera kuza haringura health center yakana n'ebindi bingi hona ebigenderire kutungura obuhereza bw'Omubyamagara. Amakuru aga gashakwa Olivia Nasasira.